Avoid hefty fines in Spain with this essential document. Did you know driving in Spain without an international driving permit, IDP, could cost you? Stick around to find out how you can avoid unnecessary fines and have a smooth driving experience in Spain. Welcome to the International Drivers Association channel. If you're planning a trip to Spain and considering renting a car, this video is a must-watch. Today, we're diving into why an international driving permit, IDP, is crucial for your travels in Spain. We'll cover the risks of not having an IDP and how it can save you from costly fines. So let's get started. Essential information on IDPs and driving in Spain. What is an international driving permit, IDP? An international driving permit, IDP, is an official translation of your driver's license into multiple languages, including Spanish. It allows you to drive legally in foreign countries that recognize the permit. Essentially, it serves as proof that you hold a valid driver's license in your home country. The IDP includes your name, photo, and driver information, making it easier for local authorities to verify your credentials. It's important to note that an IDP is not a replacement for your original driver's license. You must carry both while driving abroad. Legal requirements for driving in Spain. Spain is a popular travel destination known for its beautiful landscapes and vibrant culture. But when it comes to driving, Spain has specific requirements for foreign drivers. 1. EU or EEA residents. If you're from the European Union or European Economic Area, you can use your national driver's license without any issues. 2. Non-EU/EEA residents. If you're from outside the EU, EEA, like the United States or Canada, you'll need an IDP along with your national driver's license. The Spanish authorities are quite strict about this rule. Not having an IDP can lead to significant trouble if you're pulled over or involved in an accident. Consequences of not having an IDP in Spain. Driving without an IDP in Spain can lead to serious consequences. Fines. You could face hefty fines that can range from €100 to €500. Vehicle impoundment. In some cases, local authorities may even impound your rental car until proper documentation is provided. Legal issues. Without an IDP, you may find yourself entangled in legal issues that could disrupt your travel plans. Insurance problems. Most car rental companies require an IDP for insurance purposes. If you're involved in an accident without one, your insurance claim may be denied. To avoid these hassles, it's best to obtain an IDP before you travel. How to obtain an IDP. Step-by-step guide. To obtain an international driving permit, IDP, from the International Drivers Association website, follow these steps. 1. Visit the website. Access the International Drivers Association website at www.internationaldriversassociation.com. 2. Check eligibility. Ensure that you have a valid driver's license from your home country before proceeding with the application. 3. Gather required documents. Prepare the necessary documents including 2 passport-sized photos, a completed application form, a copy of your valid driver's license. 4. Submit application. Look for the section related to IDP applications on the website. You can either submit your application online or find information on where to submit it in person. 5. Pay the fee. Process the payment for the IDP. Payment instructions should be available on the website. 6. Wait for processing. After submitting your application and payment, the processing time for the IDP is usually around 1 to 2 weeks. Consider expedited services if you need the permit sooner. 7. Receive your IDP. Once your application is processed successfully, you will receive your international driving permit ready for your travels. Remember to apply well in advance of your trip to ensure you have the permit when needed. Real-life stories. Travelers fined for not having an IDP. To emphasize the importance of having an IDP, let's look at some real-life stories. John from New York planned a road trip through the scenic routes of Spain. Halfway through his journey, he was pulled over for a routine check. Unfortunately, John didn't have an IDP and ended up with a €200 fine and his rental car impounded until he could provide proper documentation. Emma from Australia ignored advice about getting an IDP and found herself in a minor accident while driving in Barcelona. Without an IDP, her insurance claim was denied, leaving her with substantial out-of-pocket expenses. These stories highlight how crucial it is to have all the necessary documentation when driving abroad. In summary, having an international driving permit, IDP, when driving in Spain is not just a legal requirement, but also a practical measure to avoid hefty fines and other complications. It ensures that your travel experience remains smooth and hassle-free. For more detailed information on how to obtain an IDP or any other travel-related tips, visit the International Drivers Association website. We have comprehensive guides and resources to help you prepare for your journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable travel tips. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with fellow travelers who might benefit from this information. Safe travels and happy driving. Thank you for watching.